Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today, oh, we need a little bit of music. There we go. We've got Vite Ramen with our roasted soy sauce chicken version 3.0. Quinoa flour, lots of vitamins. Protein, what do we got? 31 grams of protein, 27 micronutrients. So we're going to cook that up today. And that is fun for you and for me. Large sachet. And the noodle block, which goes in for 3 minutes. And I'm going to let you watch that because that's the new deal. If you don't like watching me cook noodles, complain to a guy named Bunch. But I don't know. I do take suggestions, and this was something that he was like, I really like it when you do the top down of the noodles cooking. So I'm like, well, maybe other people do too. But yeah. You guys want to look at noodles, you don't want to look at me. Alright, okay. This is, what do we got? 7 grams of fat. There's 770 mils of sodium. There's vitamin D, potassium, vitamin E, riboflavin, folate, pantothenic acid, zinc, manganese, choline, calcium, vitamin A, vitamin K, niacin, vitamin B12, iodine, selenium, chromium, iron, vitamin C, thiamine, vitamin B6, biotin, magnesium, copper, and my favorite vitamin of all. Can you guess what my favorite vitamin of all is? That's right, it's molybdenum. Why do I enjoy molybdenum so much? Whoa. It's because molybdenum is used to strengthen swords. Yeah, it's like a mineral, I think. And anything that can strengthen my sword, I am down with. That's rad. I'm eating this, and it will make my sword even stronger. I will wield myself as a weapon against I don't know what. Yeah. Lots of protein, it's like, it's a pretty cool deal. These guys went and did a, God, what do you call it? A Kickstarter, and did really well, and the idea was making a healthy instant noodle, and they've been doing it for a few years now, and been following their story for quite a while. They send me prototypes sometimes. It's really cool. Cool relationship with this company. I love that. And the thing is, I get to talk to them directly. There's no big PR firm that's all like a firewall. So many companies have that now, and it really bums me out like you wouldn't believe. I used to talk to a lot of the big players in the noodle world, and they just kind of, they don't want to be my friend anymore. They want me to send this itemized list of information. It's like, I'm not a consumer. I'm the ramen raider, for God's sake. But yeah, I appreciate that these guys are like, and then on the package it even mentions that they're like, you know, these guys are a US company, they believe in goodness for their employees and this and that and the other thing, so all cool. The packaging does mention an oil sachet, but I am not finding that. I didn't find it in the one that I opened up to do the review with, and I didn't find this one in the one that I just opened up now. So, I don't know, maybe, I'm guessing it's a packaging thing, that they just didn't update that part of the packaging, which is fine. I'm guessing if there was an oil sachet that was to be in it, it would be in it, so they seem to be pretty thorough. And this one, since it is lower sodium, they actually mention on there, if it's not salty enough for you, just add some salt or soy sauce or whatever. So that's cool. You can do that if you so desire. But yeah, look at this. This whole thing, I think is this one 500? It is, wow, 450 calories. I've eaten one of these straight before, and it's a lot of food. I mean, look at this. That is a lot of noodle going on there. So just giving it its extra stir. Soy sauce, Chilton. And I don't have any chicken. We really have to go to the grocery store. I could have made chicken. Very chewy noodle. Here's the broth. It has a nice chicken flavor to it. A tinge of creaminess. What are we gonna do with this sucker? I think in lieu of their oil, if there was supposed to be oil, I'm gonna add some sesame chili oil. That'll give it a nice little sheen. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Good light combining stir. Yeah. I really like it when companies innovate. Check out this bowl. When they first came out, they made these bowls, and this is color changing. So when it's, I think it's when it cools down, it goes back to this. Yeah, there's like, the idea is that there was a optimal temperature to enjoy that they recommended. I think that's rad. Might be too much for some, but for me, any kind of stuff that's like that, seriously figured out, I think it's cool. Ooh, getting up there. Careful now. Careful. Careful there. Okay. That oil moving around a little bit. It's a lot of noodle. I think I'm going to have to remove some noodle to balance out the look and loveliness of the bowl. Oh, and when it says 450 calories for the whole bowl, it's not like broken up into 2 servings. That I've been seeing a lot lately, and it's just kind of like, dude, really? I'm gonna eat half this bowl of ramen, saving the rest for later, you know. Are ya? Does anybody? There's some nice homemade chashu. I know it's chicken, I know. I'm well aware, but you can add chicken. Wow. That made the broth all confused. So we got the chicken. I've got, since it is, or we've got the chashu. Now we're gonna go with What came first? I don't know. But I have an egg. I just made these so they're not as dark as I like to have them, but as I mentioned earlier, we got to do our shopping today, so we're going to get more eggs, so I figured I would do all the straggly eggs that were in the fridge. These are like fashion eggs, I swear to God. Ow, God. Fine, go over there. Just don't burn me. Get pony up. There you go. That's nice. All right. Okay. We got that. Now we are going to add our other things. We've got some Naruto Maki. I should add the spring onion next. I've got the Naruto Maki at the ready, folks. It's all ready. Let's do that. But first we're going to add in, whoever made that comment, was that first name, last name? He's active in the YouTube deal. But somebody said, you know, that's an unhealthy amount of spring onion that you're using. I thought that was like one of the funniest things ever. I still do. There we go. A little seed. Planet of sesame seed. A little bit. And I do have shichimi. Do you have shuchumu? Right there. Oh, that wasn't expected. The tension of this broth is fascinating. Alright, so there is our Vite ramen, all spruced up, happy, and looking badass. So, yeah, I guess we'll allow it to do its thing and rotate thusly. Well, that shichimi kind of took over that broth and took away that nice oil look to it. Oh well, but what can you do? The next one is the last of the bulldog curries that the Fat Hipster sent. Go check him out on YouTube, indeed. And this one is a hot chicken rendang. Rendang? Chicken? It's usually beef. Anyways, this has been Haas the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment in your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.